how I work with these modules would be that you can swap the order. Generally speaking, you do start with a bit of educating the client about their coping mechanisms and introducing to language such as overcompensation, avoidance, surrendering. What does it all mean? How is he? How he falls in these traps all the time, the vicious circle, and then you also look at issues such as physical strengthening, bad habits that they might have there, because like I said to you, you can't really look inside and start having appreciation for your body until you actually feel a little bit better, a little bit more safer and secure within your own body. Otherwise you're going to be disgusted. So you're right, the timing is crucial. If when you start paying attention to your body, you might discover things that you don't like. So for somebody that deals with internal shame, it's very tricky. So you might decide this. I'm not suggesting that this is the script to use, but it's one of the scripts recommended for low self-esteem work.